Welcome to the world of Gaelic football, Ireland's finest sport. Now played in over 70 different countries, the game is growing in popularity.
Gaelic football, bro. I just feel like Irish people, they don't like to do anything slow.
Neatly ahead here, taken in by Killian Spillane. Looking for a championship score here. Will he make it?
Do you know the coordination you gotta have to play Gaelic football? They play for free. Breathing costs money. You want to go out there and breathe in front of 80,000 people for free? Shots out to every Irish person on this earth.
This is American comedian Josh Prey. He's become a phenomenon with over 7 million hits on his GAA videos. We've invited him over for the All-Ireland final between Dublin and Kerry. Josh Prey,
Connor, listen.
welcome to Ireland.
I don't even know. I don't care about everything. Listen, I just got here. I got off the plane. Everybody has been so nice in Ireland. I didn't know it was going to be like this. The air feels so good. Have you tasted the water in Ireland yet? Everything's so pretty, man.
You've seen what we have to offer. You're only in. I think we need to get you into the world of Gaelic football.
I'm here.
Yes, let's go. Let's do that. We have a museum.
Y'all got a museum here?
Let's go.
You got to understand.
Let's go.
Listen, everybody has been nice to me. Everybody.
Sometimes people don't realise that the GAA, this place, is literally a window into Irish culture and community. This for me to be standing here.
This got to be like the heart of Ireland.
This is everything. And tomorrow, this is going to be full.
I don't want to leave Ireland.
Let's get you to the changing rooms. Come on.
I don't want to
Let's
leave.
get you to the changing rooms. There has only literally been a select few people in here on All Ireland final weekend, and you're one of them. How does that look?
I feel like a dad!
Taking you up to the highest part in Croke Park. This is the skyline, right?
Yes.
You've been here for a while now. Mm-hmm. What do you make of Ireland? Because the equivalent of the population of Ireland have actually watched your online videos about the GAA.
You have to come to Ireland to experience it, to be here. The atmosphere, the people, the landscape, it's overwhelming. I don't want to get too emotional on camera.
Yeah.
But this has to be on everyone's bucket list. You have to make Ireland a priority.
And can you imagine what it's going to be like here tomorrow? 83,000 people in where you were there now.
My heart is racing, and it's absolutely wonderful.
Right, you're a Florida man.
I am.
There aren't too many mountains in Florida.
Now we got beaches and tall buildings.
Okay, so we can take a breath, look at the gorgeous Dublin skyline, and have a look at the beautiful Dublin mountains. Just take a breath. Let's show you what it feels like to be a true champion. Are you ready?
What are we doing?
Okay, let's do this.
Mom, I'm a champion. I'm a champion. I'm the crack.
I've got one more thing for you.
What?
This is your Gaelic football
Yes,
lesson.
it's mine.
Right, your Gaelic football
It's
lesson
mine.
with expert footballers.
What the?
Right, so Ashley is going to do the hand pass.
Catch it, bring it in, sit it down.
Yeah. Wow, that is
Josh
good.
Prey is the greatest Gaelic football player ever.
We'll give you a 5. That's good.
Out of 5?
Out of 10.
You just stand there, right?
They need me.
I'm going to leave you there. I'm going for a little jog. I'm just going to.
Where you going?
I'm just going to.
Where the coach at?
I'm just
Connor,
going to.
where you going?
I'm just going to.
Wait. Oh my God. I'm the greatest. Yes, I'm the greatest ever. No, I wasn't ready. Listen, I personally think I'm the greatest Gaelic football player ever in history. But that's not what I'm talking about. I want to experience this Irish tradition the night before the big game. Like, Can we please do this?
So there is a tradition when two teams descend onto Dublin for the All-Ireland final. Right?
Okay.
You have to go and experience some of the Irish hospitality.
Can we please go do this?
Are you ready for it?
I'm born ready.
Right, come on. Let's do it Josh Prey style, right?
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Great time. Enjoy your stay.
everybody has a great time today.
She took a sneaky photograph. I watched her over there. She took a sneaky photograph of you. And then
You took
we're
a
giving
creeper photograph
We're
of
giving
me,
you the option
and
to
now
do
you're
it
shy?
properly.
Oh! Yes! Yes!
Kerry 7, there's 5 points in it. But Dublin now must play the rest of the game with 14 men. Kerry are playing it with 15 men.
Let's go! Let's go!
It's a draw, 19-all. Dublin have a free kick. If Dublin score this free kick, in my opinion, they win the All-Ireland. He's missed it! He's missed it! He's missed it! Your first All-Ireland experience is a draw. Can we call it an honourable friendship?
We are friends. Up the Dubs.
Up the kingdom.
Up the kingdom. This was the greatest thing I've ever experienced. Ireland, I love you!